Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Gmail on desktop or the mobile app to find photos. Use focus search operators to narrow results quickly and precisely. Type has attachment file name, JPG or PNG to show common image types and attachments. Use file name, JPEG or file name GIF when needed for other formats. Include larger, 5K to avoid tiny thumbnails. Use the search bar at the top and press enter to see matching messages. Check all mail, spam, and trash folders when images are missing or archived. After searching, preview attachments inline by clicking the image thumbnail in the message view. Use the filter All Mail and apply labels to narrow results by sender or date. Click the three-dot menu to show message details like sender and full headers if needed. Open messages that include images and click the image to reveal save to drive and download options. Use Shift and multiple selection on desktop to select several messages. Check inline images versus attachments before downloading. When you find images, choose Download or Save to Drive to preserve them safely. Save to Drive for cloud backup or download to a local folder on your computer. Create folders named by event or sender to organize images quickly and consistently. Use Google Photos Import to centralize pictures for visual search and face grouping. Drag and drop downloaded images into organized folders if needed. Regularly remove duplicates and label folders to make future searches faster and more reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.